Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's poppin'? But let's go ahead and get right into this look. We're not going to waste any time. I'm going into the Journey Beauty Under the Influence palette. Y'all, this palette, if you don't have it, you missing out. If you need an OG palette that has bomb colors in it, when I tell you this palette will do it for you, like just look at this. Like, how could you not want this gorgeous palette? It's a color for everything in here, every mood, whatever you need. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to prep my eyelids for the base. I'm using e.l.f. concealer and my Il Makiage. My Il Makiage is just being used to really carve out my brow right now. And then I'm going to go in with that e.l.f. camo concealer and I'm going to set the base for my eyeshadow. Y'all, I'm not even gonna do this whole spiel about, you know, welcome back and it's a new me, new year. No, none of that. No, honestly, I'm getting back on YouTube because I feel like YouTube is my safe haven. I have honestly been wanting to get off of social media for a while now because I just feel like it's not conducive to the lifestyle that I want to live. I want to live a stress-free lifestyle that I don't feel like I'm being rushed because of what social media standards are. I don't want to feel like because I'm seeing somebody else doing whatever it is that they may be doing, like honestly it could even be just following their dreams, or it could be getting into something that's not good for them. I'm just tired of seeing the ups and downs of social media, and I'm honestly over it. And I feel like social media is just, it's played out in a sense. And my YouTube channel, I definitely feel like I can come to this because I set the tone for it. I feel like my channel is me. It's nothing negative on here, and even if I feel like there's remotely anything negative, it's just getting blocked because I have no time for negativity in my life, y'all. I'm not doing it at all. But as you guys can see, I'm going with this beautiful pink shade. As you saw by the thumbnail, of course, we're going a cute Valentine's Day look. It is the month of love, February, and I just wanted to create something different that I normally don't do on my channel, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to go outside the box. I'm no longer trying to be in my comfort zone anymore. And then for whatever reason, I have a feeling that every time I do something off camera as far as makeup looks, it comes out perfect, and then I get mad because I didn't record it. So instead of doing that today, we're doing the complete opposite, and we're gonna give you guys content. Now, I'm not saying I'm gonna be up here just ODing on videos. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all like that. No, not at all. What I am going to do though is at least upload a video once a week. That way you guys, you know, can get some looks again. I feel like I want to get back into the whole makeup tutorial vibe when makeup tutorials was really popping. Like, I'm talking about like early 2014, 2013, 15, 16, stuff like that, because then it was just makeup. It was just having fun. My face, my rules, none of this, oh, if you're representing this brand, you're a sellout, or if you're not, no. I'm just doing makeup because I love it, okay? That's it. I'm not doing makeup to become an influencer anymore. I'm not doing makeup to try to get the attention of brands anymore. I'm just doing makeup because I genuinely love it. I'm doing it because it is my outlet. All my other outlets that I used to have growing up, which was like sports, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm not in shape to do that stuff no more. I will probably die on a field trying to catch my breath because your girl, I like to eat, you know, a nice 5-piece wing combo with a stacked burger and some fries, okay? I'm gonna eat. So while I'm eating, I'm gonna zip my happy tail down and do some makeup because that's my only other outlet right now. And once again, going back to this Under the Influence palette by Journey Beauty. Like, come on now. Do y'all see this pigment? Do y'all see? Like, am I? And no, your computer's not glitching. This is me, like, trying to let y'all know, like, this ain't no game. Like, baby. Like, this, first of all, this look right here, this color, was a look in itself. Like, talk about a pink smoky eye, baby. Yes, but now I'm just going to go in with my concealer and really make that line sharp and nice and soft. That way we're not looking like a blob, because we've been doing makeup for how long now, Imani? We're not just leaving stuff the way it is. Keep it cute. Also, guys, I'm sorry if my light or my lighting, whatever one you want to say, keeps acting weird. I am still trying to figure this one thing out. I feel like I know what I need to do. I'm just not doing it because, you know, it's gonna cost a pretty penny, and I like pennies and I want to keep those, okay? But I know what I'm gonna have to do. But I want to give you guys quality content still, even though I'm not pushing out crazy amounts of content right now. But I'm gonna make sure we get this lighting correct because I'm tired of seeing this shift in lighting. It's either really cool tone or really warm tone. I'm over it. So if honestly, if any of you guys have any pointers on how to maintain your lighting, because I don't know if it's my camera, I don't know if it is my light, whatever it is, I need it fixed because I'm tired of it. I feel like when I look in the mirror, I look A1, okay? I look like a bag of money. I look like, you know, it's your lucky day. However, sometimes on my camera, I'm using a Sony Alpha 6100, I believe, 4K camera, I feel like the lighting is just off. It's like every time I make a move, the lighting adjusts and I'm tired of it. I need somebody to tell me what to do. Please. Oh, I'm not even talking to y'all about this look. Y'all see what's going on though with this look. Honestly, it's kind of self-explanatory. Self-explanatory. Jesus, girl, get it together. With everything I'm doing, I'm using a neon pigment right now to just define that line and just give some more of an abstract feel. I went in with that purple around that just to define the crease some more too. But this look, honestly, you could just have fun with it. You don't necessarily have to like be as neat because you're gonna go in with concealer and clean up everything anyway. But yes, I'm using a, I think that's like a lash glue pen, but it's white but dries clear. I think it's by Kiss Professionals. Don't quote me, I'll drop it in the description box, but I really do think that's by Kiss. Of course, you know, you see that J. LaRue Cosmetics pigment. It's in white gold. I started putting it on my lid, but I was like, it's missing something, so I went back into the Journey Beauty palette. Good gosh, why am I tripping over my tongue lately? Journey Beauty palette, and I got a pigment of like pink. It was like a shimmer pink, and I mixed that in with the J. LaRue Cosmetics, and then I put that on my lid, and it definitely gave what it needed to give. So now I'm going to do my other eye just off camera because I don't want to sit through that again. And voila, like magic. So then now I'm going to add you know, a nice cute dramatic inner corner. I don't want to call it a wing liner because it's not a wing right there, but you know, to me, honestly, it reminds me of like crows. It's like a crow eye, or maybe I'm reaching, I don't know, but I'm just gonna call it a crow eye. It's giving that for sure. So that's what I'm gonna do. But anyways, how have y'all been? What have y'all been up to? I feel like I haven't made a sit down video like this forever, and I miss doing it because I don't care what nobody's saying. I'm not this new generation of people. I don't care for the 30-second clips of the give it to me right now so I can hurry up and go. No, you gonna sit down and you gonna talk to me. You gonna enjoy this 11-minute clip on me doing makeup and talking about Lord knows what, okay? Because I'm tired of creating stuff just to have to condense it. You know how long that takes to condense something like that? Oh my gosh, y'all. I don't want to condense nothing else anymore, okay? And by the way, I'm looking in the mirror and I look the freak good. Like, my makeup is sitting. I feel like I'm sitting. Which is why I said I'm not doing these cute little 30-second clips no more. Y'all gonna get this full content, okay? And this is also why I said I'm mad at my lighting, because what I'm seeing right now in my vanity, if NYX or somebody don't hire me, I mean, I don't care, but you know, if y'all don't hire me to just do like a quick little one-two and put me on like a banner or a little display in Ulta, because I deserve it, because I look the fuck good. Y'all, my phone's been sitting here recording this whole time. Ain't no telling what's on this phone right now. Good Lord. And yes, I'm just rambling on because I'm kind of just sitting here at my vanity now, and I'm just like, you know, I used to try so hard to make the perfect makeup tutorial, whether that be, you know, just staying so focused and making sure I'm only commenting on what I'm doing at that very moment. No. Like I said, y'all gonna catch all this tea right. Oh my gosh, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but the kids in my neighborhood are loud right now. Like, what are y'all doing? I feel like y'all messing up my screen time. Y'all need to be quiet in the background. I should go outside like an angry old lady, right? And be like, if y'all don't shut the hell up. Nah, I don't want to do that because I don't have to fight nobody grandma. I mean, I will, but you know, I don't want to. But anyway, so I'm going into the lip. You know what it is. It's a NYX lip liner pencil. We always go through this again. But however, because you know I'm always going to use it because this is my go-to. This is my baby right here. It's just delicious. Everything about it is delicious. The smell, the pigment, the color. Oh, it's me. It's just me in a little lip gloss bottle. Oh, y'all. Oh, that would be cool. Like, yeah. Oh, I need to get some longer nails so y'all can hear me clack. I am going to do an ASMR video one of these days because I have a microphone to do so. And I feel like that'll be amazing. Like, oh, the lips are smacked. Oh my gosh, I can't even take myself serious. But no, for real, I'm going to, I'm definitely going to make an ASMR video because I don't know what happened, but my daughter, when I was pregnant with her, she turned me on to ASMR videos. So I'm going to do one with makeup the next time I upload. I feel goofy as hell. I just kind of just dropped off into the middle of like an ASMR video, but it is what it is. I don't really care. Y'all see I lined my waterline with some more neon pigment and just like brown liner just because I feel like it was missing something. But y'all, is she not giving? Of course we're gonna set our face before we end the video because we're, you know, we're almost there or whatever. I don't know about y'all, but Morphe's continuous setting mist smells so good. It smells divine. It makes me feel like it's me in a can again. Oh yes, just gorgeous. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. At the end of this, I was like, do I need to add some highlighter? I feel like it needs it, but then I was like, no, it's giving airbrush. Because sometimes highlighter can give off that ruffled effect with your skin. I'm not doing it. So forget it. So back to me feeling myself. Yes, but thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.